So for today's video, we're gonna have fun with Copilot and work. And I know, but we're gonna have fun with it. So today we're gonna make Copilot dance. This is from Dr. Mollick's work at the Wharton School, and it's on goal playing, using a prompt to walk you through, to create scenarios and have you walk through breaking down goals into whether they be SMART goals, setting goals, paths to get to goals. So what I'm going to share is I'm going to share the structure of the actual prompt. So in the link, I'll put the bit.ly to the actual prompt. Big props to Ethan Mollick at the Wharton School. The paper's filled with other prompt techniques. This one's a lot of fun. So what he's given us is a structure in a prompt. You put it in Copilot. I've tailored it to actually fit within the 4,000 character precise limit. That's what's going to be in the link. When you copy and paste this into Copilot, it's going to then turn Copilot into an AI tutor that's going to present you with scenarios, ask you for feedback. You're going to have a conversation with it, and then at the end it's going to critique you on how well you do breaking down goals and setting goals and working with somebody on their goals. It's fun. It's a little Hamlet, little Shakespeare in this, and it's a great framework for you then to go in and edit out all of the goal setting and replace that with something that may be more relevant for your work. So the framework of the prompt is amazing, and I will share it in the link.